Hey, what's up guys? So, in this video ay may i-review tayong panibagong project. Hindi itong Pixelverse mga kaibigan. So, itong Pixelverse guys is isang cyberpunk quest-based battler web browser game na tina-target niya maging competitor ng Pixel. Okay, so alam naman natin guys yung Pixels. Okay, so meron siyang 2 billion market cap na at meron 750,000 registered users na in 2 weeks at meron partnership sa Mon Protocol. Okay, so yung press release and announcement guys. Okay, at yung Telegram minigame nila ay meron na rin 200,000 users in just 1 week, no? So, it will be listed on OKX, KuCoin, Bybit, Bitam, at very hardworking yung team nila. Okay, ayun yung Pixelverse. Okay, so yung token listing will be scheduled on May mga kaibigan, no? So, this is one of the fastest growing Web3 game. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo guys yung kanilang white paper mga kaibigan. Okay, so ito. Guys, ito yung kanilang white paper mga kaibigan. Ayan, Pixelverse. At dito may ito yung mga announcements, yung Mon Protocol. Okay, at yung game, introduction ng game nila guys. Yun nga. Okay, meron PvE battles, arena battles, PvP, quest system. Kung saan guys, mag-complete kayo ng mga quest para mag-gather ng mga resources para ma-explore yung Pixelverse. Okay, at yung mga resources na nakuha nyo is gagamitin nyo para makapag-craft ng mga bots at ma-enhance sila by merging or creating unique aesthetics. Okay, mga iba't ibang rare abilities is ma-unlock pa. Okay, tapos pwede nyo yun i-buy and sell sa marketplace para continuously ma-upgrade mo yung lineup mo. So, kumbaga mag-trading ka rin. Okay, so yung game dashboard niya guys, ito. Central hub ng Pixelverse, yung game dashboard niya. Papakita ko sa inyo mga kaibigan. Dito, pwede kayo mag-customize ng avatar, set nyo yung gamer pseudonym nyo, write your bio, enable contact. Kumbaga, parang social media na rin siya. Kasi nandun na lahat ng mga social information mo. Pwede mo ilagay yung profile mo. Okay? Tapos sa referrals naman guys, sa referrals na yan, no? Diyan nyo guys, pwede mag-recruit ng mga iba. Kukunin yung affiliate link nyo, invite yung mga friends nyo. Tapos, syempre, you will earn rewards kapag in-invite nyo yung friends nyo doon. Okay? So, that's it. No? So, meron silang referral system. Merong ambassador privileges din, exclusive bonuses. So, yung demo playground nila, okay? Yun, set up nyo lang yung avatar nyo. At pag nandun ka na kayo guys, ready na kayo for adventure. No? So, una, engage nyo lang yung initial robot nyo at mag-explore na kayo ng mga iba't ibang characters nyo, mga locations at NPCs doon sa demo playground. Okay? Mamaya titingnan natin yan, no? So, yung gameplay nila guys, yung bots, una yung expansive world of Pixelverse, no? So, yung bots guys, ito yung ginagamit, no? Para, ayan, your journey with boss in Pixelverse. Allies nyo talaga sila, no? Sila yung role talaga nila is for combat and strategy. Okay? So, in-optimize nila yung resource management, tapos, companions nyo sila, allies nyo sila, so, magiging mahalagang bagay talaga sila sa game. Okay? So, meron din sila mga NFT collection, no? For that, meron mga unique attributes and capabilities din sila, depende sa NFT. Okay? So, yung breeding and upgrading ng mga bots, guys, ayan, you can do more than just create unique bots. Okay? You have the opportunity to increase their value and improve their abilities through the process of breeding and upgrading. So, pwede kayo mag-breed ng bots. Maybe, hindi nga dapat breed yung term nila dun eh. Dapat di breeding eh, kasi hindi naman nanganganak yung bots, diba? So, pero, okay, for simplification, yep, you can create new bots and also you can enhance your bots through upgrading. Okay? So, sa merging bots, guys, pwede kayo pumili ng parent bot. Tapos, dalawa yon for sure. At yung mga traits nun, depende sa inyo. Pero, for sure, yung new bot na may create is naka-based doon sa traits ng parents. Okay? Tapos, yung upgrading bots naman, pwede nyo i-boost yung appearance, yung abilities, mga equipments, okay? Para masalo siyang lumakas, no? So, yeah, crafting naman ng resources. Ayan, mag-explore lang kayo ng mga iba't ibang turns, guys. Collect lang kayo ng resources. Tapos, yung mga resources na ginakuha nyo, gamitin nyo siya pang craft. Okay, use your resources to craft. At pwede nyo rin i-personalize yung bot nyo gamit yung mga iba't ibang materials. Use unique designs and give your boss special abilities, okay? So, turning boss into unique NFTs, guys, okay? Pagka-craft nyo ng boss, guys, transform nyo siya into NFTs, no? Convert nyo yung digital boss nyo into blockchain-based NFTs para may proof of ownership that you own it, okay? So, unique characteristics ng mga boss nyo, guys. Meron mga iba't ibang features and abilities, syempre. At truly one of a kind kasi meron siyang proof of NFTs, okay? At, yeah, the most important part is pwede nyo rin siya i-trade, no? Hindi lang siya ownership, pwede nyo rin siya i-sell kasi meron siyang value. Okay, so yung player house, guys, ito yung itsura ng player house. Okay, your sanctuary in Xenon. Dito, guys, ni-store nyo yung mga items nyo, customize yung mga identity, at makapag-prepare kayo sa mga iba't ibang adventures. Okay, so i-secure nyo dyan, guys, yung storage nyo, personalize nyo, depende sa gusto nyo. At dyan, kayo makakapag-upgrade ng mga iba't ibang skills at gears. Dyan, lahat magsisimulan adventures nyo kasi yan yung bahay nyo. Okay, which is gonna be interesting. At dito naman sa arena battles, ito yung ultimate challenge nyo, guys, is dito talaga yung labanan sa arena. Okay, so dyan, you enter nyo yung bot na kinraft nyo para maipag-compete. Competitive battles yan, saan mga kalaban mo talaga gusto rin manalo, no? Kasi syempre, you're not just fighting for glory, but also yung valuable resources yung makukuha nyo para sa progress ng inyong bots. Okay, so iba't iba yung strategy, pero marami yan. Next time malalaman natin kung ano pa, pero marami strategy dyan. At pero yung pinaka-importante dyan guys, yung rewards is makakakuha kayo ng mga valuable resources every time na nanalo kayo, para mas lalong lumaki pa yung arsenal nyo, mas lalo pa ma-upgrade yung bot nyo, and so on and so forth. At yung long-term benefits is mas lumalakas yung bot mo, mas marami yung mga kalaban mo na kakayanin mo, kasi mas lumalakas yung bot mo habang nananalo ka palagi. Okay, at may mga iba't ibang quest dito guys. Okay, pero next time na natin sabihin yan kasi we don't have enough time, no? Pero ang pinaka-importante lang dito guys talaga is pakita ko sa inyo guys yung kanilang white paper na pakita ko na. So always do your own research guys, tapusin nyo yun. At the end of the day is on your end para basahin lahat yon at para ma-research nyo na maigi kung okay ba yung game. Pero bukod doon sa white paper guys is gusto ko lang i-mention na meron silang 3 live products na ngayon wherein you can earn free tokens, no? Airdrop, one of the best strategy na ginagamit ng mga crypto platforms to get people, kasi who don't want something for free, diba? Who doesn't like something for free? Like everyone like free things, free stuffs, right? So meron silang mga airdrop dito guys, at ito yung link na kanilang article kung saan guys pwede kayo makakuha ng kanilang airdrop. Okay, so meron silang 10 million PixV token that are ready for distribution, no? At play to airdrop yung tawag sa mechanism nila dito guys. Okay, so pre-listing campaign to para kickstart yung kanilang program. Okay, so yung participants lang dito guys is para maka-accumulate ng points. Syempre kailangan nyo lang mag-invite ng friends, maglaro, mag-bot maintenance, trading activities at battle predictions. Okay, so yep, the play to airdrop campaign guys is an invitation for Web3 enthusiasts guys para sumali dito sa kanilang bagong ginagawang game. Okay, so yan, contact nyo lang sila guys if meron kayong additional information na gusto nyo malaman dito sa Team at Pixelverse sa Telegram at sa Twitter. Okay, let's try to stalk in Twitter nila guys. Okay, so Twitter nila guys mga kaibigan, ito yung Twitter nila mga tol, meron na ng 192k followers dahil this is gonna be one of the hottest thing in town right now dahil they are really aiming to be a competitor of Pixels. Okay, Pixelverse, no? Battlecraft and earn Insenon they have crafted Cyberpunk Realm. So ayan, interested kayo sa airdrop guys, safe pal while you keep your assets secure and earn rewards in Pixelverse. Ayan, dito na kayo guys palagi magbasa sa kanilang Twitter, active sila dito, papamigay ng mga kung ano-anong mga airdrops, mga rewards. Katulad nito, the 200,000 follower will win 200 USDT. So simple, follow nyo lang sila, may chance kayo manalo ng 200 USDT. Kaso 192,000 follow na sila ngayon, so pagdating ng 200 mark, yep. So this simple task is just an example guys kung paano kayo mananalo ng pera ng libre, kasi marami sila dito guys sa mga airdrop, no? So make sure nyo lang guys na aware kayo sa mga events nila kung sakaling mag-release sila ng ganon. At one way to ensure that you are aware is by following them and making sure na you're updated dun sa mga social media website na nire-release nila. Okay, so aside from that guys, bukod sa airdrop is meron din silang guys 3 products para makakuha ng airdrop. So una yung light demo. Okay, papayad ako sa inyo. Una yung light demo, pangalawa yung game dashboard, so magla-login lang kayo doon, at pangatlo yung Telegram bot minigame. Okay, so mamaya papayad ako sa inyo yung Telegram bot minigame, pero una ito, so sign in lang kayo guys dito ng account. Okay, email address, create your password, pagkatapos nun eligible na kayo for airdrop. Pangalawa, dito sa Pixelverse dashboard, kailan lang kunin ng email, sign up kayo ng account, continue with Google, create password, at eligible na kayo for airdrop. Pangatlo naman guys, meron sila dito ng Telegram bot. Okay, i-start nyo lang to, at kapag i-start nyo yun guys, you can earn with your friends and participate in the $10 million PixV airdrop. Okay, so ito yon, yung Pixelverse Sexy YZ bot. Okay, so yan, i-search nyo lang yan guys sa Telegram, at i-follow nyo yan guys para maging eligible din kayo for airdrop. So you have already 3 steps para masali sa kanya ng airdrop, diba? Simply by doing things na won't even take you a minute para ma-process. Okay, at bukod dun guys, kapag nag-invite pa kayo ng mas maraming friends nyo, mas mataas pa yung makukuha nyong tokens just by inviting friends para mag-register sila, no? So pwede kayo guys maka-earn ng more tokens sa affiliation program nila para naging Pixelverse ambassador kayo. Okay, so meron mga ganyan. At conclusion guys, okay, join lang kayo yung affiliation program nila para mapag-farm kayo ng mga points, mga airdrops. Okay, so sama na kayo guys ng sama kasi marami sila, active sila, marami silang budget. Yup, they have the money, they're the big boys, and this is gonna be one of the best thing pagdating ng sabihin natin guys ilang linggo or a few months from now. Okay, so napakarami nila dito na i-release na mga kung ano, at we're very excited for that kasi certainly this is gonna be big and this is gonna be blowing up in the near future guys. At ayan, right now as we're seeing here sa mismo official website nila, they're really basing sa Pixels. Okay, so sa gameplay, ayan, ito yung mga gameplay features niya, yung world, yung demo. Okay, pinaito ko na ata sa inyo to kanina. Ayan, sign in lang kayo dito ng account guys para makita yung demo.